Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. uMarco bafethu ubuyile ejimini ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi-ke i-injury yakhe ayikho that bad. Uyaqala i-recovering phase yakhe ukuthi abuye ajime ne-team azayijoyine fully i-team, but at the moment ngathi ujima yedwa laphana eceleni, uyajoka ne-team azenzele kodwa izinto eceleni because basabheke i-injury yakhe ukuthi uzoba ready nini 100%. I think lezi zinto lezi zizo-excite i-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke laphana ku-back 3 noma ku-left back uyabuya umuntu abamaziyo ukuthi nawe super talented. Before ngingena ey'ndabeni ze-Kaizer Chiefs, I would like to say thank you to uSibusiso Xaba odonate-ile bafethu. Abantu ba-make sure ukuthi le page leli siyaligcina, angilithengisi. You guys can donate as little as ilokhunjana i-20 rand. Ngizofaka ama-details wama-bank details, and if nifuna ukudonate via YouTube ningajoyina i-membership kuphela, but-ke nawa ama-details eningadonate kuwo as little as 20 rand. Sibuyeleni-ke endabeni ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Ulokhunjani uMarco, we know what he brings to i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-left back in terms of i-versatility yakhe nanokuthi u-strong maku-attack-iwa. Bayamdinga kwamanye amagame, especially lamagame lawa bazodlala ne-team edefendayo, badinga abantu bazo-attack-a from i-left back naku-right back. Imagine if unoThabiso Munyane ku-right back ophushayo naye, and then unoMarco ku-left back, une-team e-super powerful ekwazi ukudlala against any team bafethu, in terms of like i-strength nanokuthi bayibeke under pressure i-team if like ibheke nje ukudefenda nje kuphela. So lezi indaba ezinhle kakhulu ukuthi ama-player lokhu aya-recovera kancane kancane. Obviously i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga i-depth, idinga wonke ama-player wabo abe available, khona-ke o-coach bazoba spoiled of ama-options nama-choices ukuthi kudlala bani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. The injuries that they are dealing with, isithemba ukuthi noMayo naye injury yakhe ayikho difficult kakhulu bafethu, or ayikho bad, uzokwazi ukubuya maduzane because of I want ilokhunjana uMayo ukuthi adlale no-Ighodaro. Ngikhulumile ngayo indaba yakhona izolo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi banga-producer something beautiful or umlingo laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know because ku-continental level if basazodila nama-injuries amaningi ku-continental level ukuthi bazokhompyutha kanjani, because amanye ama-players azokhathala, azolimala, azothola ama-yellow card. Nolokhunjana ulimele, singakhohlwa uMiguel naye ulimele, but uMiguel-ke bafuthu ayikho bad into yakhe, sekabuyile naye u-ready ukudlala because of bebabheke i-medical team. Even nale game lena eyeSimba bebasho ukuthi babheke i-medical team ukuthi izomcleara na ukuthi u-ready ukudlala. Unfortunately he was not cleared to play the game, but at the same time I think i-Kaizer Chiefs more powerful without uInacio Miguel bafethu, to be fair, to be honest. And akusimi kuphela, abantu baningi abantu ababona ukuthi without Inacio Miguel i-Kaizer Chiefs powerful because of unamaphutha wakhe laphana amaningi, but unama-moments wakhe ukusho ukuthi on and off laphana ubhuti. Khona la akudlalela khona lana-ke azovela abe namaphutha wakhe, but i-defense e-Kaizer Chiefs they're looking stronger and stronger each and every game le abayidlalayo. And obviously le continental level yabo ukuthi bakwazile ukuqualify for ama-group stages, ngicabanga ukuthi izobanika i-confidence. Even noMduduzi Shabalala ukhulumile ngalento le ukuthi lento lena izobanika i-confidence heading to i-game against i-Durban City. Coach Gavin Hunt bafethu, it's not gonna be easy, it's gonna be extremely difficult ukudlala ne-Durban City, but the boys are ready. Ighodaro, I saw something laphana bathi Ighodaro uzohlupha ku-PSL, ama-teams waku-PSL awekho ready for Ighodaro. U-Ighodaro kudala adlala ku-PSL bafethu bayamazi ukuthi uyahlupha, ukuthi bekadlalela lesiya ama-team amanye bewa-too defensive isikhathi esiningi, thola ukuthi i-team ayinaso i-strength. U-Ighodaro kumele yenze izinto ey'ningi yedwa, but guess what, experience yaku-Betway Premiership unayo, udlula abantu abaningi nje, udlale iminyaka eminingi compared to abanye abadlali baku-PSL because of yena manje is approaching 100 games ku-Betway Premiership. Manje una-90 ebholeni, okay, ebholeni nakuma-cup games whatever, una-98 games ebholeni lase-South Africa overall u-Ighodaro. So unayo experience, dala waqala ukuhlupha lo muntu lo, ukuthi phela when you are playing for a team enganayo ama-financial muscles or i-strength in terms of i-squad overall, ngeke ubonakale as a player. But u-Kaizer Chiefs because of une-versatility eningi, and then kunama-player super talented kula uzombona khona because of ama-individual brilliance from amanye ama-player khona. Naye akasebenzi kanzima kakhulu yedwa, but uyambona ukuthi uyi-hard worker yena, ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzi-collect-ela ibhola aphinde abuye nalo i-rotation laphana. Uhlakaniphe kakhulu nge-versatility yakhe. Imagine if u-Igatara angahlala laphana ebhokisini kuphela bafethu into angayenza, cause lo muntu akaliluzi ibhola. I don't know if abantu bawe ukuthi i-Igatara akaliluzi ibhola lula bafethu. Uyakwazi ukuli-protect ibhola overall. So they need him laphana ebhokisini isikhathi esiningi cause makalihold ibhola uyakwazi ukuli-protector ukumake sure ukuthi, and uyakwazi ukudlalisa ama-player wakhe to bring the teammates egamini, ukuba adlalise ukuli-trapper, a-protect-e, abanike. UMduduzi Shabalala kumele bazi-create-ele ama-moments of magic-ke nabo ba-make sure ukuthi umfana akastrafeki yedwa ukuthi yonke into idiphende kuye. But yeah, they have a team to compete. Ngizwile nje yabo Max Maponyana lo bengikhuluma ngaye earlier on ethi Kaizer Chiefs ayibonakali njenge-team enga-compete for i-league. Kaizer Chiefs ayikho sekudeni from ama-team. They just need to win this game le against ilokhunjana i-Durban City, and then they are back laphana kuma-teams laphana nama-point amaningi laphana ku-Betway Premiership. They are back, just one win. They were supposed to beat the previous game. Bebadlala namaZulu or bebadlala nani la badrawe khona. Bekumele bawine leyo game leyo. Wahluleka kuyiwina leyo game still bayi-draw. Yeah, yes man, namaZulu badlale nawo laphana I think mangibuyele emuva kuma-game awu-2 bebadlala namaZulu la badrawe khona. Baphinde badrawa the last game yabo laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Badinga nje ukuthi bawine lama-game wabo, and then they'll be back on top like kube one of the best performing teams ku-Betway Premiership. But I mean, league is not gone. The league is there. It's there for the taking overall for bona nabanye abantu abangakhompyutha. Yes, ama-teams afana lese ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates bane-squad sama-player akudala azana laphana. So and beside Orlando Pirates even nama-player amasha laphana ayakwazi ukufitha in like a glove. But i-Kaizer Chiefs consistency yabo is very much important. They have to just keep fighting, fight for one another, and then believe kule nto le abayibhildayo, and then they'll be good to go. Bazocompete nabo. The league is there bafuthu. Mamelodi Sundowns is not that super powerful compared to the previous seasons. Orlando Pirates is strong as much as is strong Orlando Pirates, but you can say banama moments wabo. Even this game that they played, the Lake Carling knockout, they performed really well in terms of domination. But mabangakakori ayibona i-frustration yabo emehlweni amajita laphana ukuthi they are frustrated, izinto mazingahambi ngeside labo kumele uba frustrate, yabo. So the league is there for the taking for wonke umuntu. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, and then if unifuna ukudonate go back to la engilokhunjana engibhale khona la mayisaqala ivideo ukuthi ningadonate bafethu any amount from i-20 rand. Making sure siyalikhipha le page le siba ne-independence yethu, hayi ukuthi abantu bazosibhulisha abafuna ukuthenga ama-page. Danko.